Hi guys, it's your girl Shelby from Shelby Farm Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my shrimp and lobster pasta, okay? It's going to be so quick and delicious. So how's the day going so far? I mean your weekend. Are you guys ready for Easter? Yes, me too. So let me show you guys what I have for you today. I have my lobster and shrimp, okay, well marinated. Okay, and I have my vegetable, my jalapeno and onion and sprout, okay, and I have my grapes, tomatoes, and rosemary, okay, and garlic, and I have some parsley, and also I have some lime juice, okay, and here I have all my green peppers, okay. Here's the pasta that I'm going to use, guys. Pappardelle. Okay, it's very delicious. Okay, you guys should try it. And what I'm going to do next, now I'm going to start with my pasta. Okay, my water start boiling. Okay, let me open that. And after that, guys, I'm going to just let that cook first. And then we'll start on our seafood, okay? Okay, that should be enough. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cover it up and let it boil, cook all the way. And then when we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys, now my pasta cooked. Okay, it's ready now. So I'm just going to leave it there. So I can just go ahead and then I'm gonna go start with my garlic. Okay guys, I'm going to grab a few things and then when we come back, we'll finish up, okay? Come back. Okay guys. Let me stir up my garlic. Okay, it smells so good, guys. Okay, now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start adding my shrimp. Okay. And my lobster. Okay. Okay guys, let me give it a stir. Okay, now I'm going to add my rosemary. Okay, parsley. Okay, my lime juice. Okay, some chili powder. One tablespoon. Okay. And for my tomatoes, guys, not yet. I'm not going to use them yet. And I'm adding some onion powder. Okay, black pepper. Okay, some ginger powder. Okay, and my paprika. Okay, let me give it a stir. Okay guys, I'm going to cover it up to let that cook, and then when we come back, we'll add our stuff. My vegetables. Okay, come back. Okay, guys. Now we come back for finish up my food. To finish up my food, guys. Okay, what I'm going to do, guys. Now I'm going to add some more basil. That's what I meant earlier, guys. Not rosemary, basil. Okay, so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to add some cherry wine, cooking wine. My bad. Okay, not too much, just a little bit. Okay. If you want to use it, guys, it's up to you. But that's how I make my pasta. Okay. Now what I'm going to do next, I'm going to start adding my vegetables. Okay. Before I do that, let me add some bouillon. Okay. One tablespoon. Okay, I'm adding my jalapeno, my onions, not yet, my sprouts. Okay. I think I may need a bigger pot, guys. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right, guys. When we come back, we'll finish up. Okay. Come back. Okay, guys. Now it's time to finish up. Okay. Let me show you guys what I'm going to do next. As you guys can see, I changed my pot because it was too small. Okay. So see that? Everything's cooked. Okay, now it's time for my pasta. Okay? Alright, now I'm going to use a little bit of my pasta water so I can just spread them around. Okay. They kind of stick together, guys. You have to do that so they can just move around. Okay, see that? And guys, the main reason that I'm using my lobster claws, because I'm going to use them as a decoration, guys, for my food. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to mix that up. Okay, guys, when we come back, we'll finish up everything. Okay, it tastes so good, guys. My sauce. Okay, come back, guys. Now it's time to finish up. I'm going to add my tomatoes, guys, so they can cook together, and my onions. Okay, let me just give it a stir. You see that, guys? Very nice and beautiful color for my pasta. Okay, that's it. Just gonna give it like 5 more minutes. Everything should be ready when we come back. Okay, come back, guys. Okay, guys, now it's time for me to show you guys my plate. Okay, let me show you what I have for you. Okay, you see that? Okay, everything is already fixed. Now I'm going to add some basil flakes. Okay, fresh basil. Okay, and some Parmesan cheese. Not too much, a little tiny bit. Okay, guys, you see that? That's it. Okay. If you guys like this video, okay, this recipe, don't forget to subscribe. Okay. And give it a thumbs up. Alright. And give it a try. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Bye.